We just showed you picking this Ford lock, and we're now just going to read it. So he has to find his number 4 cut, which actually is number 4 on here. I don't know whether you can see that. So you adjust the collar, you turn the collar the way it's going and adjust it to the 4 cut. So he's now started to number 6 and he's turning it for which line it lands on. So that's a 3. Going to the 5th one on our 2nd cut. 3 again. 4, and then a 1, 3, 2, and that's it. All red. We just cut the key to that lock and we can program it into the vehicle.